For using a dry powder inhaler, that will be coming in the form of a capsule, we will be using a device like this. Earlier there used to come a device which everybody of our older generation knows, Rotaheller. Now it has been replaced with this type of devices which are much more easier and convenient to use. And another update in dry powder inhaler is this AccuHaler. To take a dry powder inhaler along with the capsule which contains a drug, you have to use a device. This is the device which is commonly available nowadays. Earlier it was Rotaheller which were used, but nowadays these are the simplified versions. So now, how to use these DPI devices? Now, as you can see, there is a cap, there are two buttons which are marked by different colors. The first step is remove the cap. After removing the cap, you can see there's a chimney like tube here. This helps in our inhalation process. Now, once you see, there is an arrow here. As you can see an arrow, this arrow indicates that this needs to be turned. So once you turn this one, you can see that the DPI machine has opened, and you can see a space. There's a space for a capsule. So what will we do? That dry powder inhaler capsule which is there, you have to take that capsule, open this device, place that capsule in the space what you are visualizing. So once you place that capsule, again lock it. So after locking, the next step is, you can see two buttons here. You need to press these buttons. Once you press these buttons, what happens? You see there are needles coming out. Small sharp needles will be coming. So these needles will be puncturing the capsule and making holes on the sides. So once you have locked this capsule, then press this once, twice, thrice. It's okay, nothing, no problem. But once you felt that it is sufficient, then remove your fingers from the knobs and hold the device like this with your index and thumb fingers. Like this you have to hold. Leave this and hold like this. Now, as the capsule has been pierced, now the drug which is in the powder form can directly enter into your oral cavity. The next step is lift your head a bit so that your mouth, your chin and your trachea, everything will be in the same line. Then insert your chimney like tube into your mouth, inside the teeth. This is how we should use it. Now once you are inside, take a deep breath. So with deep breath, the powder form, it will be escaping through the capsule, through the holes, and then entering into your oral cavity, and because of your inhaling deeply, it will be entering directly into your lungs. So the steps are: open the lid, cap, place your capsule here, close, press once or twice, and then hold it like this. Lift your head, keep it, and take a deep breath. So once it is finished, you have to open it once more and see if the capsule which you have placed has any remnant of powder in it. If there is any remnant, you have to repeat the inhaling process. If there is no remnant, take the capsule out, throw the empty shell, and then once it is done, again you have to rinse your mouth, because any powder particles, if they stick into your oral mucosa, there's a chance that you might develop ulcers. So you need to wash your mouth, and as with spacers, this device also needs to be washed with running water every 3 days and to be sun dried, and it should be changed every 6 months. This is regarding how you use your dry powder inhaler with this device.